69% of wildlife has been killed off in 50 years, while humans have doubled in that time. Doubled. All of time to 1800, 1 billion people. 1800 to 2030, 8 billion. I'm sorry, 2023. So, if you care about wildlife, Fluffy, this isn't about you right now. You'll have a smaller family and live sustainably. Loss of biodiversity. Here's a chart. And human growth. We can't endlessly grow. Fit does not mean sustainable. Some people will say, oh, we can fit in an area. That does not mean sustainable. Child-free are robbed in so many ways to pay all entitled parents. When free birth control saves taxes, pea-sized embryos, and wildlife. So, here's some ways to help. Free birth control saves. Organic for the bees, birds, and bugs or insects. Vegan, simply leave animals alone. Factory farms, look them up. Public transit in cities, not suburban sprawl, causing more deforestation and displacing wildlife. Less plastic and smaller families, of course, saves. And again, child-free is not free. Finally, more ways to help. So get involved. Speak out before it's too late. Live sustainably and live simply so others may simply live.